After removing the filtered liquid, it is time to clean the unit. There are 4 flush valves given. One valve is in the front side, one in left side leg and another in the right side leg of the unit. There is a 2-inch flush valve opening in the rear side of the unit. Cleaning of the unit is done using all these valves. We have also attached pressurized water connection into places. Primary water connection is in this top corner. Secondary connection is attached in the same place as the output valve by using T-connector. Flushing is a mandatory step after every usage and should not be skipped. It is done in the following 4 steps. Step 1. Open all the 4 flush valves and let the entire system get drained out. All the residue slurry will flow out. Wait till it is fully empty. Step 2. After the system is fully empty, we will close this flush valve in the front side and the flush valve in the back side. We will keep the flush valves in the left leg and right leg open. We now will use the primary water connection which is in the top. Start this water supply. This water should have 2 kg pressure. Keep adding this water only for 30 seconds. Do not prolong this step, keep it open for only 30 seconds. Water will enter the filter and will also simultaneously keep flowing out from the open flush valves. After 30 seconds, close the water supply and wait for the flush water to get drained out completely. We have to repeat this process of starting water supply and keeping it open for 30 seconds. We should repeat it till the flush water starts to look cleaner. Step 3. Close the flush valves in the right leg and left leg. Open the flush valve in the front. This time we will use the secondary water connection which is made in the bottom. Start this water connection. It needs to supply pressurized water. Keep the water running for only 30 seconds. As the flush valve is open, the water will also keep getting drained from this valve. We need to repeat this step for 6 to 7 times minimum, till the time flush water starts to look cleaner. Step 4. In the last step we need to first close all the flush valves. We want to fill the system with water for one last time. For this, we will start filling water using the primary water connection. After the unit is filled, we can stop the water and now open all the flush valves simultaneously. Let the entire system get drained out again. This time use the stirrer and mix the liquid thoroughly. Dung which has settled down will get disturbed and flow out with water. Flushing is now complete. We can start preparing a fresh batch of slurry. For any reason, if you are not going to prepare the next batch right away, in that case fill the unit with fresh water. Do not leave the unit empty for longer duration.